And the final big fat issue for probate and estate in 2026 is DIY wills and trust and revocable trust disasters. All these people out there that are producing wills, even with these reputable services that are better than, quite frankly, the AI versions that are out there, are stepping into landmines that are going to be going off for decades yet to come. I know AI can be great. I know these services that promise they can do wills can promise they can do it cheaply, promise they can take care of the issues state by state, promise they can walk you through with questions about what you need to do, and that's just fine. But there is so much about it that is going to go wrong. It's going to blow up in so many people's faces. Lawyers are going to be making money off this stuff for decades to come. And that doesn't even begin to talk about all these people that are out there administering these revocable trusts that financial advisors or others have put them into and haven't qualified them for doing the job of administering that trust. These are things that are going to blow up in everybody's face. I warn you this, if you're the trustee, your brother's asked you to be a trustee for the nephews or whatever else like that, spend the money for lawyers to advise you on how to administer that trust. Otherwise, it's going to be coming out of your pocket later, administering these trusts, all this DIY stuff, all this AI-generated stuff. It's going to cost people so much money in the long run. If you're concerned about this, consult with a local lawyer, subscribe to this blog, and share your comments.